In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Instagram on your iOS devices. Now, there's two ways to do that. First, go to the App Store. Now, search for Instagram. And as you can see, it says open. That means I already have the updated version. In some cases, you don't have the updates from the App Store. So close the App Store. Now you can forcefully update the app from the settings. Now go to the settings, find general, now find iPhone storage, go there, now search for Instagram. Click on that, you can see offload app, click on that. Now it says offloading Instagram will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Click on that. Now you can see it says reinstall app. When you see offload app again, that means the app has been updated. So that's the two methods, and thank you for watching.